So now we want to set it up so when the computer gets restarted, turned off and back on for whatever reason, that all of the appropriate pieces of software get started when it restarts into the main screen here. So we want it so the PowerMate button software starts up, the Indigo software starts up, and then also so that the One Button Studio app itself launches when the computer restarts. So to do this, again, we're going to go up to the Apple logo in the corner, down to System Preferences. And within the Preferences pane here, you want to look for this section that says Users and Groups. So go ahead and click into there. And then on this screen, up where it says Login Items, click through to that. And this is going to allow you to set certain programs to open when the computer starts up. So right now you can see I have Indigo set to open, PowerMate set to open, and then also the One Button Studio application itself. The checkboxes next to the item name are whether you want those windows to be hidden or not once they open up when you restart. So if the button is checked, then it's going to hide that pane. So the program will be running. It's just that the window that you'd usually see if you open the program will be hidden in the background. So that's what you'd want for Indigo and PowerMate, because you want those both to be running, but you don't want them to be in the way. So we have those hidden. And then you also have the One Button Studio here, and you can see it's not hidden, because when it starts up, you want that to be the first window that you see, and you want that to be the only window people see when they're using the studio. So to add items into this list, so mine is set up correctly already, but to add something in here, since this is probably going to be blank, if you click on the plus button here, this will allow you to search through all of the applications that you have within the computer. So you just add these one by one. So the first one you could add would be Indigo, and then you just click on Add. That would add it into this list here. If there are other things in this login item pane that you don't want to be there outside of these three applications, then just select them and then hit the minus button down here, and that will delete them out of there for you. So once you have Indigo, PowerMate, and the One Button Studio all set to run on a restart, you're good to go, and we can move on.